Meaning of DSL.
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 DSL. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line, which is a type of high-speed internet access that uses existing phone lines to transmit data. The technology works by separating the voice and data signals on the line using different frequencies, allowing for simultaneous use of both services. DSL offers faster speeds than traditional dial-up internet and is often more affordable than other high-speed options like cable or fiber. Overall, DSL has been a game-changer for home internet access and has helped to connect millions of people around the world to the digital world.